KCTV 5 News at 5 begins with that breaking news as time runs out to appeal the death sentence of a Missouri inmate who claims to be intellectually disabled.
Ernest Johnson is scheduled to die around this time tomorrow. His supporters say death, though, is not the answer. They think he should spend the rest of his life in prison.
And just today, even the Pope has weighed in, seeking mercy. But Governor Mike Parson has responded, saying the execution will go on as planned.
KCTV 5 investigative reporter Angie Ricono joins us now from our newsroom for more on these late-breaking developments. Angie?
Well, Carolyn, I spoke with Johnson's attorney, who says Ernest Johnson is guilty of a gruesome triple murder, but the Supreme Court makes it clear you should not execute people who are intellectually disabled.
Can you describe his functional level to me?
He functions at roughly the same age as my son, around the age of 10. When you speak with him while he's 61 years old, he is, it's like speaking with a child to a degree. There's a lot of things he doesn't understand.
Does he understand what could potentially happen on Tuesday?
He does. It's not a competency issue with Ernest. It's he understands what may happen.
The issue is Johnson's IQ. It's lower than average. He's had 9 full evaluations done. 8 of those conclude his IQ is in the 70s. Court documents argue he's the son of a sharecropper who struggled in school and even flunked high school art because he couldn't draw a straight line with a ruler. However, the Missouri Supreme Court ruled there is a difference between the legal and medical definition of intellectual disabilities. The most recent ruling points out Johnson counted and sorted money after that gas station robbery. He wore a face mask to hide his identity, and he hid the money in an air vent in an attempt to hide the crime. 3 people were beaten to death with a hammer. A jury convicted him and ruled he should be sentenced to death. Now, this is not over. Parson is being asked to grant clemency so Ernest Johnson can spend the rest of his life in prison, but we just got word from Parson's office that he will not do that. This looming execution is also before the U.S. Supreme Court. Johnson's attorneys say killing him is simply wrong. Angie Ricono, KCTV 5 News.